Hey there YouTube, it's me John the Bomb, and I just had lunch and probably gonna head over to my usual playground, hopefully for some revenge because I've been bullied by big fish recently, so yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be throwing some of these lures. First these two, which I brought along, the L Blue, I think, suspending minnows. They are like 110 size, around less than 20 grams, I think. Change out the stock hooks to decoy hooks so they won't open, and also we'll be throwing one of this. It's a imitation pintail. I'll link you guys up to all these lures in the descriptions below, and you guys can go check it out and get them if you feel like it. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh my god, guys, I just found a grenade on the floor. Alright guys, if you see carefully, you can spot a few mosquito larvae in here. So just a note to all anglers out there, just don't litter in the jungle because I really hate mosquitoes. Alright guys, first fish for today, not a monster I was hoping to get, but hey man, a fish is a fish, right? I've been stalking this pair for quite a while, for the past like half an hour or so, going back and forth. They were swiping and swiping, but they were not taking until this one took. They're just both around this size, so they're not giants, but a fish is a fish, right? Gonna let this one go soon. Alright, gonna let this one go. Haha, so yeah, I was peeing in the jungle and I found this, I think it's a glass fiber rod. Feels like it. Probably gonna tear it down and rebuild it, and maybe either use it as a short rod or do a simple giveaway. Got really a lot of short rods in my house, so yeah, we'll see. I'll update you guys if I do anything with this. Okay, so just a quick update of the rod which I found. Change out the reel seat, move the reel seat slightly higher so you can turn it into a jigging rod if you want. Added the handles, EVA foam handles, and also a gimbal butt because of that extra. Left a bit of the old rod down there so you guys can see, a bit of the sticker as well, and then spray painted the whole blank with like a matte black spray paint, and change out the guides, purple wrap and epoxy, all new. So it's not my greatest work, but that will have to do. So if you want to win this rod for yourself, or win, win because it's a trash rod. Somebody trashed it, rebuilt. If you want the rod, it's a pretty decent rod, has a pretty decent blank, and it's okay finishing. So if you want it, then just comment in the section below why you hate watching my videos, and or DM me why you hate watching my videos, and like burn me, roast me, whatever, and I will pick from the list my favorite or most entertaining answer. So yeah, that's all for me today. Tight lines and smiley face.